You eat breakfast every day, but by noon you feel exhausted. You get hungry again, you can't focus, and you start craving sugar. It's not normal. Your breakfast might be the problem. Most people think breakfast is simple. You just eat something and start your day. But what you eat in the morning can decide your energy for the next 6 to 8 hours. And if you get it wrong, you stay stuck in a cycle of low energy, cravings, and poor focus. Let me show you 5 signs your breakfast is destroying your day. Sign 1. You get hungry again in 1 to 2 hours. You just ate and you're already thinking about food again. That's not normal. It usually means your breakfast was too high in sugar and too low in protein. Your blood sugar spikes, then crashes, and your body asks for more food. Sign 2. You feel tired or sleepy after eating. You eat breakfast and suddenly you feel like you need coffee. That's a red flag. A good breakfast should give you energy, not take it away. If you feel sleepy, your blood sugar is crashing. Sign 3. You crave sugar all day. You want something sweet, then another snack, then something else. That's not lack of discipline. It's your body reacting to how you started the day. If your first meal is high in sugar, your body keeps asking for more. Sign 4. You can't focus. Your mind feels slow. You can't concentrate. Everything feels harder. That's called brain fog, and it often comes from unstable energy levels caused by a bad breakfast.
Sign 5.
You don't feel full or satisfied. You eat, but something feels missing. That's usually because your meal lacks protein and healthy fats. Carbs alone don't keep you full. If you have even one of these signs, your breakfast is probably the problem. So what should you do instead? A good breakfast is simple. It needs 3 things: protein, fiber, healthy fats. Protein keeps you full. Fiber slows down digestion. Healthy fats give you stable energy. Instead of cereal or pastries, try eggs, Greek yogurt, or a protein shake with healthy fats. Small change, big difference. If you feel tired during the day, don't blame your sleep. Look at your breakfast, because the way you start your day decides how you feel for the rest of it.